In this video, we will see how to use Powtoon software. Let's get started. First of all, let's go to Google Chrome and search here Powtoon. Open this website link. Here I am on the Powtoon website dashboard. On the left side, you can see the template for your videos. In the Import section, you can import text and basic layouts from PowerPoint to start editing or import video files in MP4 format for up to 3 minutes. In the Blank section, you have a blank canvas of various sizes. You can record meetings, horizontal presentations, videos, and web, square size posts for Facebook and Instagram, and vertical social media stories and mobile videos. Let's go back to the home page. Click over the Create button. In the drop-down, you can see an animated explainer, whiteboard video, presentation, marketing video, branded character, screen, and cam recording, and you can upload your PowerPoint presentation. I will go with an animated explainer. Here you can choose any default template for your animation video. You can explore new templates and the most popular templates. And also you have a premium templates option. I will choose this template. Click over Edit in the studio. It will take only a few seconds to load. Here I am in Powtoon Studio. On the right side, you can pick a background for your video. You can add text to your video, like title, subtitle, and body text. I will add a title. Adjust location. Change the text according to your needs. You can also add characters to your animated videos. In props, you can add emojis, tech and web elements, and more. In shapes, you can add overlays, shapes, and calls to action. You can upload images from your device and explore premium images as well. Also, you can upload or explore videos from here. You can add video background music, voiceover, and text-to-speech. On the left side, you can see video slides. This is how you can use Powtoon online software. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.